Welcome this video introducing to wood house design. Wood house have stood the test of time as symbol of comfortable, warm and centrability. From rustic cabin to modern aesthetic, wood structure often a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and functionally with grow wood house design are become increasingly popular due to their eco-friendly natural and electric effect. Centrability. Wood is a renewable. When secured, it have a long impact compared to material like construction, stood modern such as a referent as centrability supply of time. Aesthetic appear. Wood house have a timeless charm to natural growing and textile of wood create a cozy and invite atmosphere, fixable and design. Wood is easy to shade and modern make its centrability of architecture style for trend of contemporary effect would have natural look popular. Its help main interest are indoor temperature rate to the need for hot or cool. Durable when touched and main interest popular food can last off during or even technology like and Promax enhance wood resisting to pet and weather. Keep design consider location and climax. The wood design of a wood house should align with local climax. Use design that promotes vibrant and productive again hub Type of wood. The choose of wood signification impact during and aesthetic of the house convenience. Due with a beautiful growing. Fontaine. A study fontaine is able to support the wood structure and protect its for construction have provide a stud basic roof design. The roof should complement the design and provide consider photo roof idea for area with rainfall roof centrability for modern design and regulated with main interest centrability functional incorporating eco-friendly elements such as solar panel, water drain, up structure, electric effect, window and door. Popular wood house style, log companion, tall, traditional design, expiring, rustic charm. Those are companion use how log and Promax popular in mountain area. Post have been this style use long window being of the framework create open interior. It's a favorite of modern and minimalist design. Wood house. Invites construction house composed if a feature in static theme on side this modeling is cost effect and time effect. Construction protect. Plots and design. Architecture will embrace to create a design that suits your need and the local embrace. Fundrain work. Fundrain based on the side salt and climax consider. Frame. Build the wood followed by wall, fall, and roof. This glory the architecture sustain. Finish. Add pull, structure, and interior finish. Use the product, the wood from post or whether main interest type. Print. Apply product to enhance the wood leaf shot. Regulated. Choose for sign and decking such as row and pallet. Wood house design often a significant perfect balance of traditional and mouse than are centrability, versatile and soft visual appearing by careful consider like location, wood type and main interest. Homeowner can enjoy timeless beauty and functional of a wood house from regulation.